Y'all, happy Thursday, July 4th right now. Hey, about to go do a house wash, or I got the basic setup right there. Okay, it's all you need, y'all, basic setup, okay? Nothing crazy if you're just starting out as a side hustle. This is like a side hustle to me, but I implemented it into our lawn care business. So we did get insurance. It's LLC, okay? So I do lawn care, but also we have customers that they request house washing and concrete surface cleaning for the driveway. So you know what? Let's do it, okay? So I got a 4 gallon per minute right there. Pressure washer, I got the pressure washer hose, the water hose right there. All right, I got a ladder because I'm gonna have to be getting on the not on the roof though, but like reaching up high to pull down some vines before the house wash. I got me 12.5% SH over there. Okay, I got 2 full 5 gallon jugs, and I got about almost half a jug right there. Okay, all right. I got the pressure washing gun right here. All right, that's my spare. Put over here. I got my bucket of goodies, y'all. I'm gonna be using my just regular handgun. All right, got the J-rod on there. I got miscellaneous stuff in here. Okay, like I got oil for the engine just in case. No, pump for the soft wash pump right here. Okay, I use this kind, y'all. So my pump has like a slight leak. You know what I mean? But hey, it's still making money, y'all. Okay, so I just gotta put oil in it every now and then. All right. I'm gonna be downstreaming. Got my, oops, that's my tripod. I got my downstream injector right there, all right? It's a 2.1 downstream injector for a 3 to 5 gallon per minute pressure washer. All right, so I use 12.5% SH, but when it comes out the gun, I just broke my tripod. I just bought it too. Man, let me see that, can I fix it? Nope, it's broke. All right, hey, I might not be filming. I guess I'm gonna be taking some before and after pictures. But so I use a 2.1 downstream injector right here. Okay, so I downstream 12.5 SH from that gallon jug. I just dropped the stick in there. All right, and then when it comes out the gun, it's about between a 1.2 to 1.5. All right, so that's good enough. Also, it's kind of cold out here. It's like about 50 degrees, so cold weather plays a big part on the SH, all right? It takes longer dwelling time, or you may have to add more SH on there, okay, on the house. But anyway, let's get to work. I hope you like the setup. What do y'all think, y'all? It's basic, okay? It's basic, that's all you need. I do have a surface cleaner. It's in the garage right now because I'm not using it today. Take what you need, okay? Just take what you need, all right? Anyway, y'all, hey, don't forget to cargo strap everything down. I got cargo straps going across. All right, I got the ladder tied down. I got bungee cord wrapped around the jugs. All right, hey, God bless. See you out there at the house.